Multiplication of fractions. Good day everyone, this is Sir James and welcome to our math video tutorials. Today, you will learn how to multiply fractions with or without regrouping. Let us start. Let us try this first example. 1/4 times 2/3. In multiplying fraction, it is very easy. You just need to simply multiply the numerators and the denominators. 1 times 2 is 2. 4 times 3 is 12. And that, let us simplify our answer. The common factor of 2 and 12 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Therefore, our final answer is 1/6. Great job! It is so easy, right? Now, I will show you another method that you will love. It is cancellation method. In cancellation method, instead of simplifying our final answer, we are going to simplify the fractions inside the problem. Meaning, we are going to look for a numerator and a denominator which have a common factor. Here, we can see that 2 and 4 have common factor of 2. Therefore, we can divide each of them by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2, while 2 divided by 2 is 1. Can you still see another numerator and denominator, that common factor? No more. Now, we can multiply the numerators and denominators. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 3 is 6. Now, our answer is 1/6. Now, let us try another example. 4/5 times 1/6. 4 times 1 is 4. 5 times 6 is 30. Now let's simplify our answer. 4 and 30 can be divided by its common factor 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 30 divided by 2 is 15. Our final answer is 2/15. Now let us try cancellation method. Now, can you find a numerator and denominator which have a common factor? Very good. 4 and 6 have common factor of 2. Now let us divide them by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3, while 4 divided by 2 is 2. Now let's multiply them. 2 times 1 is 2. 5 times 3 is 15. Now, we got the same answer. Now this time, we are going to multiply mixed numbers. In multiplying mixed numbers, we need to change them into improper fraction. But how are we going to change mixed number into improper fraction? Let's have a quick review. To change mixed number into improper fraction, we multiply the denominator to the whole number. 4 times 1 is 4. And then, add it to the numerator. Plus 3 is 7. And then, we simply copy the denominator 4. Now, 1 and 3/4 is equivalent to improper fraction 7/4. Alright, now let's go back. Let's change each mixed number into improper fraction. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 3 is 7 over 4. Next, 2 times 2 is 4. Plus 1 is 5 over 2. Now, we can multiply them. 7 times 5 is 35. 4 times 2 is 8. Now look, our answer is in improper form. We are going to simplify it by converting it into a mixed number. 35 divided by 8 equals 4. 4 times 8 equals 32. 35 minus 32 is 3. Now, our answer is 4 and 3/8. Great job! You made it! Here are now the things that you have learned today.